Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. So today I'm gonna get this coin, and this coin leads to this crate, and this crate leads to this mech, and this mech leads to my victory.
What?
I don't know what I just said.
The last one is something I did not understand.
So let's get a gold medal in a 2v2.
Did you even join?
Yeah. What the?
It glitched. Now you're in.
My brother is like one task away, but he needs 3 gold medals, while I need only 1 gold medal with a support mech, or at least spawn a support mech and get it mech.
I don't think I'm.
As you guys could see the task over
I
here.
don't think I'm gonna get the Bastion, bro. I think you're gonna get it.
No, I don't think so, because you already got a gate crasher.
No, I'm not gonna get it.
You're lucky, okay?
They're not gonna give it to me again.
They will.
That's what I said.
They will.
That's what she said.
Let's get things started.
That's right. But I'm a he. No, I'm not a gay.
DPD. You're under arrest.
Why?
You're saying that
Could you repeat the word again?
Well done.
DPD.
you got me good. You know, I forgot to.
Spawn a support mech.
You have to leave.
No.
No, that's it.
Nah. I could spawn it, right? It's your problem.
Incoming fire.
I said don't to, like,
I'll
leave.
play it without you. Because the boot is becoming too big nowadays. I have to do what I have
And there goes my support mech spawn.
to do. You have to spawn it at the first, idiot.
No. That's not what she said.
That's what she said.
Come on, Abdullah. Oh, I forgot the range. What the heck? Of course, the spider turrets, they are the worst.
Second heaven?
Got him. Got him. Got him.
Bye-bye.
Get him.
I need help, I need help.
Where are you?
I'm not even in here.
Then you're just an idiot.
Still gotta get in the first one.
Got him.
No, I'm dead, I'm dead.
Don't got him.
Maybe two at once. That could be one with javelin.
Got him. Don't got him. What the heck is he doing out there?
He's eating your booty.
His mouth is closed. Oh.
Hey. Give me a beat. I'm sorry I
can't.
have to do this. It's a terrible song.
So what?
Mustafa, don't worry, Mustafa.
Yikes, get him.
Have 2 minutes remaining.
Oh,
I need help.
I need help. Too bad. There's no one to help me.
Wow, I did 200,000 damage and that I only have 4 kills.
And I'm not getting a gold medal as well. Great.
That's why I told you, spawn it at the first. See, that's where I'm the pro and you're the noob.
No, you're the noob. I'm the pro.
What did you just say?
What?
What?
I said the truth.
You did not do. You speak loud, bro, because the boot is big. Mustafa.
Stop! It's too funny.
Don't worry, Mustafa. Yeah, finish me. Jeez, bro, I'm at low XP.
I'm getting kills with status beam for the first time.
You.
I got killing spree.
I'm about to get done.
And I lost all my mechs as well.
Somebody's annoyed.
Move, Surya. You got a gate crasher with this racket. Move!
Dude, I'm not even in the match.
Okay. I'm not supposed to cuss. But you're making
Cussing again.
30 seconds remaining.
Yes, sir.
There it goes. We lost because of it.
Yep. Got a gold medal.
I don't know if I got one.
I got 2.
Did you complete your task?
No, I need one more. Ah.
Oh, I completed my task.
Yeah, because you hate me.
Look at that. Look over here. We're gonna get it because we have these many points and we need these many points more. Let's do this. Oh my gosh. Guys, subscribe and like. And pray to God that I get it.
Did you got it?
I will mostly not because you already got gate pressure and I tried many times but I still got nothing. Okay,
I think yours.
I'm gonna get locked up here.
Yeah, gaming with me. Bro, you got 758 coins again? Really? You can come now.
Yeah.
I hate you so much.
Oh my, those are damn.
You got 7. Did you just curse?
That's not a curse, is
That
it?
Man, I hate you.
But I still didn't got the mech though.
Hey, 758 coins isn't that bad.
It's so bad.
Yeah, let's get
What
it.
could I do with 1,000?
Just do some time pass with them for like 5 minutes. Mama's hungry. For the Bastion.
Or I could use it to upgrade Aris.
No!
16.
No.
Juggernaut.
To which? No.
12. Or Cheetah.
How are you gonna get Cheetah with us 1,000 acorns?
Shadow.
Okay, you could get Shadow if you want.
Okay, thanks. And should I remove? Of course, I'll remove the one and only.
Zephyr.
Of course not.
Killjoy.
Nope.
Guardian.
Nope.
Eris.
He's not even there.
Then who else is there?
Panther.
There's no way you're removing Panther, bro.
Yeah, I don't need him.
Your mama doesn't need him.
What did you just say?
Nothing.
We share the same mama.
Oh, I forgot that. Cut that. Cut it out.
Okay. I got the worst, brother. Oh. So like, if I do the weekly task now and get 200 acorns, that's enough. I get the shadow. So make sure to watch the next upcoming video where I'll buy the shadow. So yeah.
Buying the shadow.
Yeah. That would be the title of the next video. Buying the shadow.
Did we just reveal our next video?
Maybe.
Not a maybe. We definitely did.
But I still didn't got the Bastion.
Nobody cares about the Bastion.
I just stated.